There we are. Look what we bought. I don't know if you can see it, but over there we have one blue fender, one white fender, and one front piece for the Amazon, because I was just totally done with just starting to fix up the pieces I had laying around, and those pieces were just so rusted. And over here is a Volvo shop which is closing down very soon, so I might be even coming back here to buy some more stuff. But yeah, in a month they are gone. This car will be for sale soon. I kind of want to buy it. I do not have money for it, but if I can get money anywhere, I really want to buy it. This will be for sale soon, so. Ladies and gentlemen, brand new Rolling Heritage video. This is part, I think, 8 of the Amazon build series. And yeah, we are gonna start demounting stuff. So today I want to remove most of the stuff from the Amazon. Yeah, I have grinded some stuff before, so I'm very dirty already. But yeah, today we're gonna remove stuff. So guys, I've been struggling for the past, I think, hour and a half with this dashboard removal. And as you can see over here, I have much of the wiring already loose. Yes, it is a very big job when you want to do it right. So taking this dashboard out is not an easy task. But the thing I need to do now is the hardest part of all, and that is removing those 2 bolts over there, because you need to remove those bolts to get the steering column out, and without removing them you can't remove your dashboard to the front. And also, and the other part also is this one and this one over here. Those bolts are break-off bolts. They have a head, and when you turn them tight, and then when they are tight enough, then the head breaks off, and then you are stuck with a flat bolt surface over like that. So I really hate these things, of course. So as you can see, the complete front is still off, the window is removed, the seats are out, the dashboard is completely removed, that is laying over there. And over here we have those gorgeous new panels. The weird thing about those is they already started rusting. While we have like corners over here with the original Swedish steel, which is completely fine and not rusting at all. And those spots have been in rain. So I have no idea how this is already rusting, and that says something about the quality of these replacement panels, because the other side is the same problem. I need to grind out the top welds over there in the corner, over there in the corner, and need to clean up this weld over here. Then when I have welded up those corners and have cleaned up those welds down there, I think of putting some primer on those, just brushing it. Then these panels are done. So guys, look at this. This corner is done. Looks beautiful for a simple weld. So yeah, it's all cleaned up. So I was planning on doing this first, but then my dad came over and he asked me to make a new swimming platform for his boat. So I did some woodworking. Looks awesome though. But I'm now going to start on this side. The only problem on this side is this side, the back piece of it needs to be this high, and that was all because this panel was just fitting poorly. So I will be smacking this edge you see over here down so I can still weld on there. So let's try it and see how it goes. So guys, the piece is ready to be welded, so let's go. I'm gonna stick it in and then we will be almost done with the front side of the car. Ta-da! The holy grail of Volvo's. Volvo blower motors. Thank God this is not a Volvo 240. Those things are just a pain. This is just 3 bolts. And we have it. Yay! Now we have a huge hole in the car. Shall we weld it up? No, let's don't do that. So guys, look at this. Everything is painted on the right side. So yeah, just being very careful with dust and stuff. But now you can see how this weld looks. You won't even see it. I don't even think I need filler on this one. So I just can sand it and you will not see the weld at all. I've painted all this. Got all this clear, you saw in the time lapse. Painted the complete beam. Painted the full inside over here. This beam over here will also be done. But I just wanted to do this for rust prevention while I'm working on other things. And these spots are very bad and they will rust very quickly. So I just wanted to do actually both today, but yeah, I couldn't do it, so I have done one and I will do the other one later this week, so you will see that right after this. Here they are. Look at this. This is my new right front fender. It's very solid. Looks weird, but it's very solid. It's very solid. I have a light pot with it. This rust is all surface rust, so that is not through the metal. When I flip it over, this thing looks very rusty, but this is all just surface rust. So this will come out pretty nice. So yeah, I have a very solid right fender, and I have a very solid front piece over here. This thing is just beautiful, no dents at all, no cracks at all. So I will just be able to fix this spot over here and then the corner over there, and then this one is already done and ready for sanding, primer and paint. This one is another story. It has a tiny dent over here, and when I got home I also found out it was rusting on the famous corner. So we will be working on this one a tiny bit. On my own fenders, the blue ones that came with the car, these corners are perfectly fine, so I might be able to cut them out and weld the metal in here. But yeah, we'll see. I'm pretty happy about my find today. 325 bucks for two fenders, a front piece and one of those bumper pieces like this one, which goes on the back bumper because mine was dented. 325 euros. I can't complain. Over here you have it. It's all sanded down. Looks great. I did make a mistake with the front panel, as you can see. I was grinding too heavily with the grinder, so there's a bit of a notch over there. But you won't see that. So sometimes you gotta like be, well, this very nice, so I can mess up that piece. But yeah, the car looks great. So this is all sanded down. This is already primed, so that's done. I did find a weird spot down here. This thingy grinded it down a bit, but I will dig into that. And I also need to fix that huge hole over there. This is the new panel for underneath the car from that big hole. That will be done very soon too. This looks amazing. Everything is reasonably flat, so that will be fine. This is the other side. It's all dried up. As you can see, looks pretty nice. Might need a little bit of filler, a tiny bit of filler, but then it should be good to go. New wing is on, and as you can see, the new wing, it's flush over there and flush over there. Looks very nice how it's on there. It's also very nice on the rest of the car. So yeah, I can be happier. Making a good progress, so yeah, like I said, I can be happier. I'm gonna clean up the shop and then I'm gonna get out of here, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't know which one it will be. I have a video which I will be making next weekend. Well, actually two videos I will make next weekend, but I will see what I will post. So make sure you subscribe, because there is a huge surprise coming. And with huge, I mean huge. I'm not gonna say anything more, but yeah. Keep subscribed. Make sure you stay subscribed.